welcome to my channel. This is Nebel Kamaka, and in this video I'll be showing you how to edit flyer generated by AI. You know, at times the AI usually make mistake, especially with the text. So I'm going to show you how to correct it using PixelLab. Let me first of all show you the flyer we are going to be editing. Okay, this is the one generated by the AI. This one I generated it using ChatGPT, but I'm going to edit it to be like this. I added some information. So what we are going to do now is to open ChatGPT. So let me go and open ChatGPT. Sorry, let's open PixelLab, not ChatGPT, because we are using PixelLab to edit. So let me open PixelLab. So this is PixelLab. This is the interface. PixelLab. Once you open your PixelLab, then you import the picture. So to import the picture to this PixelLab now, you click on this plus sign here. The plus sign you are seeing, just click on it. This is the plus sign, so you click on the plus sign, then gallery, from gallery, because the picture is in the gallery. So I'll click gallery. Okay, so it should be under this place. Let me go and locate it. So I'm looking for that image that was generated by AI. Okay, let me look for another location. Let me see. Yes, it's OpenAI. So it's ChatGPT. So let me open ChatGPT. So this is it. This is the one generated by AI. Let's import this one first. Now once you import it, you click on this good here, and then it will import. So that's that. So let me go and import the second one. First of all, let me hide this one. So to hide this one now, you click here. We'll just hide it. To hide it, click on this eye sign or icon. Okay, I'm fading it. Then you click here to go back. So let me go import the second one. The same process, on the plus sign, from gallery. Okay, this one should be under, the other one should be under PixelLab. So let me go to photos, PixelLab. So it should be here, because that's where I edited it. So let me open it. Okay, look at it. I will import it. Now once I import it, I will click on the good below here, and it will enter. So let me expand it. I will expand it so that it will fit. I'm trying to make it fit the canvas. Okay, I think it's okay. So let me go to my, okay, let me click on. So we have two images here now, and the first one is hidden. So let me hide the one we edited. That's one we should hide, the edited one, which is this one. And let me unhide the first one generated by AI. Okay, so let me expand it too. I don't know, it's hanging. I don't really know what the problem. So let me expand it to fit the canvas. So this is the image generated by AI, but I needed to add maybe some text and some other image to it. So what I want to do now first is to hide this logo. This logo you are seeing here, this is my logo, but I want to hide it because I don't want it to be there. I want the logo to be somewhere here. So what I did was to duplicate this flyer. So this is where I'm going to click now. For those of you that are not familiar with PixelLab, you click here. Once you click there, okay, not even there, you click here. You click on the third menu, this one. Okay, once you click there, you click on copy. Now to duplicate this flyer. So I've copied the flyer. So the flyer is now 2. So what I will do next is to crop this duplicated one, because I need to hide this my logo. I need to hide this logo. You see this logo here? I need to hide it and put something else there. So let me crop out this purple part of this flyer so that I can cover the logo. So let me crop it. Okay, first of all you have to click on crop. Sorry about that. So you click on crop. Once you click on crop, then you start cropping. I'm cropping out part of this I don't want. I only need this purple background so that I can cover the logo. So I think it's okay. So I've placed this box where I want the image to remain. So this other part will go out, except this place you are seeing this rectangular box, this white rectangular box. So once I am done, I will click on the good icon here as usual. So once you click there, then the cropped this thing will appear. Then the next step is to reduce it. It's too big, so I will reduce it. And once I reduce it, I will use it and cover that logo. So I just covered it. You see, I just covered that logo. Then let's take a look at the edited one and see what is there. Let's hide this one and see the edited one. Let's see the edited one. If you look at the edited one, what is there is free bonus ebook. Okay, free bonus ebook. Then we will hide it back and unhide the ones we are working on. So we are going to pick our text 2. To pick your text 2, you click on this A here. Once you click on this A, then you click on text. So I'll click on text, and then once you click on text, new text will appear on the canvas. Then you click on edit, and then you start editing. So what is there is free bonus ebook, and it's capitalized. So let me just write free bonus ebook. So to make it to be capital, you click here. You see where it showed it as here. You click here, and then you're going to click so that everything will be capitalized. Okay, then once you are done, you click OK. Okay, so we have just written our free bonus ebook. So let's reduce it. Since the text is selected, now you are going to swipe left on the tools down below here. These are the tools we are using. So we are going to swipe left like this. You are looking for size. So once you reach size, as you can see size, because we're going to reduce the size of this text. So you click on size. It is on 40. You can either click on minus or plus. Plus is to increase, while minus is to reduce. So in this case we are reducing, so we are minusing. Okay, I think it's okay. So free bonus ebook, you have to align it with the previous ones done by AI so that it will make sense. So let's reduce it a bit more. I think 35 is okay, so let's leave it that way. Then the next step is to color it, give it a color. Maybe we give it yellow. So let's under that tools down below, you swipe left again and look for color. Look at color here. So you click on it. These are the colors. If you swipe left on these colors, you see so many other colors. So but in this case we are using yellow. So, and this is the yellow. This is the yellow that is already used on the flyer. This is the main one. So we're going to pick it. But if the yellow that is on this flyer is not here, look at how you're going to do it. You just click on this. You click on this plus sign. Once you click on that plus sign, click on color picker. Okay, and then you click on any of the flyer so that you can select the. So once you click on any of the flyer, now you now click on the yellow that you want to use, or the color you want to use. So we are using yellow, so I just click on the yellow and then you click on good here to apply it, and then okay. So once I click on that, I will now say, when I click on this good to apply it. So we just applied color to the text we added. Okay, so the next step is let's look at the edited flyer and see the next thing we're going to add. So let me hide this one. I will hide this one, and then I will hide this one. Okay, wait, let me hide something too. Let's hide this one. Let's just see. Okay, the next step is to add the ebook. Okay, the ebook. So let's hide it again. Let's hide the edited one and then I'll hide the one we are working on. So the next step is to insert the ebook. Again, you click on the plus sign here. Once you click on the plus sign from gallery, click from gallery, and you now choose. You now select where you have the ebook. So let me go to photos. Since the ebook should be under this phone is hanging, I don't know. Should be under download. So let me go look for the ebook. okay, which one did I use? Okay, look at the one I use. I have to make sure it is in PNG so that the background will be transparent. So let me use this one. So I'll just select it. Okay, and the thing has applied, so I'll just click on apply here. So this is the ebook we just inserted, and then I'll bring it down here. I'll place it here, and maybe I'll reduce it. This is very reduced form. You just tap and hold it and then drag it in like this. So and then I'll move it and place it very well. So I think it's okay. Maybe I'll move it this way again. So that is that. Maybe I'll move it down a bit, or I should reduce it a little bit. So that is that. So let's look at and see the next step. I want to bring the free bonus ebook down. So once you swipe left on the tools, you see position, and then you click on it. Look at the arrows, either left, right, up or down. Since we are bringing it down, I'll click on the down arrow. Look at the down arrow here. So, but if I don't want it to be if I don't want it to be too fast, I will reduce from here, or I will reduce it from this minus sign here. So let me reduce it to maybe 2, and then I'll bring it down. Okay, I think it's okay. So that's that. Let's go and see the next step, or the next thing to do. So let me unhide the ones. Okay, I didn't even hide themselves. Or let me hide the deleted one. See. Okay, what am I even doing? Let me unhide. Okay, let me unhide the edited one and hide the one we are editing, so that we can see the next thing. Okay, the next test is yours when you get the course, no extra costs. Okay, so let me go and hide it back. I don't hide this one. Then we click on text. You know how we click on this is the text. We just click on text, edit. Once you click on edit, you then write. Okay, it said yours when you get the course, no extra charge. Okay, so I'm going to make it 2 lines. When you get the course, not cost. When you get the course, the video course, okay, no extra charge. So let me break it so that it will be 2 lines. I'll just press enter, and then once I'm done, I'll click OK. This is okay here. Okay. Then the size is too much. But before then, we're going to bring in a rectangle with yellow to cover this bank details. The bank details is the size is too much. I don't want it that way. So for me to cover this bank detail, you are seeing the bank details now. This is the bank details. It's too big. That's the text is too big. So let me bring in a shape to cover it, and then I'll give it yellow color just as the box has. So the same way, you click on the plus sign here, Once you click on that plus sign, go to shapes, click on shapes. Then once you click on shapes, is down below here, this place you are seeing, you can scroll up like this. So this is the last yellow we use, and that is the brown color. So let's just click it and add it. Yes. And then the next step now is to reduce the rectangle. This is the place you reduce the rectangle, either from here, or here, any of the sides. So but I want to reduce from here, that's the down one. Then after reducing, you can move. To move any shape or any or text, just tap and hold it and drag to where you want. So that's how to do it. So I will place it here and then expand it to cover the bank details. You see, just make sure it covered it very well. So that is how to do it. And as you can see, the text, the box is covering the ebook. The ebook is supposed to be on top, that's in front of the shape. So look at what you're going to do. Once you do this now, then okay, after placing it, you just click here to apply it. Okay, I have applied. So the next step is to you click here. This is where you're going to see all the elements in your design. So once you click there, then you now see everything that is made up of, everything your design is made up of, both the text, shapes and everything. So as you can see now, the ebook is under, while the shape we added is in front. So then what you're going to do now is to tap and hold the ebook. This is the ebook here. Tap and hold it steady. Once you tap and hold it steady, you drag it up. Okay, you tap and hold it steady and drag up on top of that rectangle. You see, the ebook is now in front of the shape. I hope you understand. So to go back to our design now, we just click here to go back. So let's click there. So the ebook is now in front of the shape. So that is it. Maybe I will increase it a bit. Okay, it's okay. So let's now bring our text down, the one we wrote earlier before adding the shape, which says yours when you get the course, no extra charge. Look at it up here. So just the same way, just click and hold and drag down. It's still under. So the same way, go back to that place and bring your text up. Look at your text. This is your text. Click and hold. Make sure you click and hold it steady like this and then drag it up. You see, but the color is not legible. So we're going to, first of all, let's reduce the size. The same is, just scroll or swipe left on the tools down below. You look for size. So you look at size, just click on size and then you minus it. If you want to add it, then you click on plus. So that is that, but the color is not readable. So let's go to color. Look at color. This is color. Click on color. Okay, now let's give it purple. Yellow is not, white is not legible with, it's not eligible with yellow. So let's give purple. Okay, so purple is okay. Let me apply it. So let's position it so. So that's it. Then the next step is to first of all let me add my logo. let's look at the one we designed earlier. Let's hide everything and look at the one we designed earlier, so that we know where the logo is. Okay, so you see we have added this one. Let's add the logo. Look at the logo here. Let's add this logo. So with the where I added the text, you now follow the same way and add the remaining text. Just look at the remaining text. It's very easy. Just follow the same process and add the text. Look at the remaining text. Sorry about that. This is the remaining text. That's the seller link and my bank account details. So you just follow the same way we added text and add it. Even this one, you add this one too. You add this one too. You add the amount. So let's hide this one again and then go back to our work. Let me hide it and then unhide every other one we're working on. Okay. But first of all, let's bold this our text. This is yours. Let me select it. Once I select it, I will swipe left on these tools on the down below of this PixelLab interface. You will see B. B is for bold. Okay, look at it. This is where you're going to see bold. Once you click on it, then click on bold here. Look at bold. B, bold. This will apply. If it's italics, you click on I. If it's underlined, click on this U with underline. So that is that. Okay, let's reduce the size a bit. I think it's built. Maybe let's make it 25. Okay, I think it's better. So now, what I want to do now is to add the logo so that you see how I also did it. So let me go to that plus sign from gallery. Okay, from gallery, then it is loading up. Okay, from gallery, then photos, and then download. This is where my logo is. So let me locate it. Logo. Okay, look at it. Look at the logo I want to insert. So I'll click on it. Okay, but you can see that my logo is in circle form. So to make your own in circle form or any other logo you want to make use of, just click on this circle here. Once you click on it, it will apply. Then you can either reduce from any of the sides. So let me reduce the circle a bit so that it doesn't become too much. Then if you reduce, if it's not placing, we'll just drag it and place it well. So reduce, then you place it well. So I think it's okay. And after every then you click on the here to apply. Okay, just tap and hold and move where you want it. Then you can reduce from here. You can reduce it from here. If it's too much, you keep reducing it until you get what you want. So reduce. I think it's okay now. So that is that. I think you understand what I did. So that's the same way you're going to insert the text. You can even, if you don't want to go through the same process, maybe click on text, just select the one you have written earlier. Once you select it, you copy. Once you copy, and then you go to click on edit to start editing it. So let me just add the amounts. Let me add the amounts. And the amount is 1,000 naira. Okay, and I will bring it down place it here. The size is too small. Let's look for size. Then size plus sign. Well, let's go and give it color first. Let's give it white. That you just select white, you see, and it will apply. If you feel the size is not much, you can increase it again, and then you position it where you want. So that is how to edit it. I hope you understand what I did. It's the same process I'm going to use to add every other text that is remaining. So that is how you edit your flyers on PixelLab. So once you are done editing your flyer, you can now save. So let me show you how to save it. So once you are done editing, you click on this place. Okay, once you click on that place, you can also save your project, so that anytime you come back, you can re-edit. So it's good to save your projects. But now I want to show you how to save the image. So you just click on save image or save as image. So once you are here, you can select either JPEG. You can save it as either JPEG or PNG, but let me save it as PNG. So I will select PNG. And once you select image format, then you come to quality, dimensions, you click here. Okay, once you click there, you see different qualities and qualities or dimension. So the one I'm going to use is ultra. Ultra is the highest quality, so you select ultra, and once you select ultra, you click on save to gallery, and the thing will start rendering, and afterwards it will save to your gallery. You have to wait for it to save, and it has saved. So if you go to your gallery now, you will now see the image. So thank you for watching.